first runner-up back then, di ba? Tapos bigla, ay, sasali pala ako abroad, and aalis ka na right away. Ito naman, pagka panalo mo, hindi mo alam kung kaya ka nalilipan. So I'd like to know, anong pinagdaanan mo? How was it like waiting for that long?
Challenge talaga tayo ng panahon. Buti na lang love tayo ni Lord. But no, for me kasi those experiences talaga, I'm very thankful na nangyari yun because I've grown so much as a woman and I became even better. I gained so much confidence now kasi while waiting, ako naman parang andito ako to support my queen sisters as well. So ang saya-sayo ko lang every time na nalalaman ko nanalo, like Tara, Alexi, so I'm just so happy now. It's Atiza, and then now it's my turn as well. So this time around, I'm just staying focused, and I know my goal, and I know I have a purpose, and I know God has a reason why it was delayed. But I think this is really the right time for me to be able to represent our country well, and that's something I just wanted to promise gagawin ko, mas gagawin ko this time.
Thank you very much. The best of luck to you for Chelsea. Nakatuntong ka na sa Vietnam for a Miss Cosmo activity and lumabas yung mga video sa parang namangha sa ganda mo yung mga fellow candidates mo yung rumarapa ka. So, anong pakiramdam nung nakita mo yung video na yon and how are you going to use that feeling as you aim for your crown?
Yeah, actually, this is going to be my 4th time visiting the land of the Ascending Dragon, Vietnam. But of course, this time it's really different because, of course, I'll be competing and probably representing our beautiful country, the Philippines. So I also saw that video and I was so amazed. I didn't know how supportive my queen sisters were, especially when I was there. I think it was for a fashion show and the video was taken during our rehearsal. So I think I will use that as a motivation that these girls are not just there to compete but also support each other. So again, I will use it as inspiration and motivation na these girls na from different countries do see me as a queen and how much more pa my fellow Filipinos. So I hope that I'll be able to represent the Philippines so well since this is also my second chance. This is my second time wearing a Philippine sash. And I hope that this time I could make it and win the international.